So here you see, whenever I turn the knob on, the water is flowing out of the side, but when I press this button down here to brew, I was having where the brew would not occur. Here's what we went ahead and did to fix that. So obviously you can see by this video, I went ahead and had it all disassembled. That little line right there, it's like a straw, was completely gummed up. So I took my screwdriver and started peeling away. You can see there's a little residue there. I'm peeling away and cleaning up that area, and then now let's go ahead and reconnect it. So we put the seal on, attach it, and then let's go ahead and connect it onto the main circuit board here. This whole entire mechanism needs to be connected into the post, or sorry, inside the base of the unit. Now here you can see I'm putting this heating element there. I have the ring that gets put on, that little seal, and then I'm going to go ahead and attach it right here onto the coil. Now it's going to be a little hard, just make sure it fits on there perfectly, nice and snug. And the next step, don't do what I did and mess this up and start threading in a bolt. What I had to actually do was remove it and put on this piece. Make sure you have it facing the right way. And then now let's go ahead and attach our bolt and nut. You're going to have another nut, so there's going to be two nuts on this one bolt. Now obviously at a later time I went ahead and tightened all this stuff up because it's going to be very boring to watch all of this. So right here is where you're going to go ahead and connect everything. You're going to make sure all the hoses are connected nice and tight, and then you're going to be putting the last set of bolts on right here. Now we're all done. Let's go ahead and connect it. If you wanted to, you could go ahead and just test out the unit outside of there, but I just already knew it was going to work, so I went ahead and put it back in. And right here you see the connectors. So it's actually very simple, just plug and play and slide it in. Now you'll notice there's a little hole on the side. That is where you're going to be adding the dial for the steam on the side post. Now this next part, I'm trying to get my camera situated so you could see it. These screws are near impossible to get in. They are not fun at all. So you see me having a little bit of a struggle here trying to get this piece in. We've got a screw back here. It's kind of being hidden, and another screw on the back side as well. So you're going to have to go ahead and try to finesse those in. Just kind of have to move the unit around until it will finally connect. Now once that's done, you have this whole component right here. You go ahead and make sure that piece is on and slide that in very carefully. And then from the other side, you're going to go ahead and just right near the very top, you'll see the spot for the Allen key. So that's where you tighten it up. Hope this video helps you out. If you could do me a huge favor, go ahead and give me a like and subscribe. That always helps me out with my channel. Y'all have a blessed day.